extracts from the hero chapter. Something was moving down. What was that something according to the Swami? The devil. Second, was it really as the Swami thought? Give reason. It was not devil but a burglar. What did Swami think when he saw it? Swami thought that end had come near. Next second, our captain has asked me to tell you who is me, Swami. What had captain asked? What had the captain asked him to tell? The cricket club was going to admit when elders as member and club would buy brand new bats and balls. When did the speaker say so? Father persuaded Swami to sleep in the office room. Had the captain asked him to say so, give the reason. The captain of the club might not have asked Swami to tell his to father. Swami said this just to change the subject. Next, third one. Will you at the least leave the door open? Who did the speaker ask? The speaker asked his father. Why did he want the door to be opened? He was afraid of the dark and devils or ghosts. What reply did speaker get? Swami should promise that he would not roll up his bed and go to his grandma's side at night. Next, fourth one. Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. Who is me? Swami's father. Who did speaker ask to sleep in the office room? Swami. Why did he ask him to sleep in the office room? To prove that Swami has a courage. Next, we want to see the fifth one. Granny placed. Why do we disturb him? Who did Granny place? Swami's father. When did she say so? Swami's father asked his sons to get up from the bed and sleep in his office room. Who does him refer to? The word him refers to Swami. What does played mean in the context? The word played means as to something in the seriously and emotionally way. Sixth one. Hey, he lay gazing at it in horror. His hand had come. What did feel that it was? According to him, it was the devil. What did he do with it? He hugged him with all his might and used teeth on it like a mortal weapon. His hand had come. What does the statement mean? He thought that was going to die. The devil would kill him. What really was it? It was really a burger. Next, fourth one, seventh one, we can see. Alright, Molly candidates and spoil him as much as you like. Who made his statement? Swami's father. Who does you refer here? Swami's mother. How, according to speaker, was being spoiled? Swami used to sleep beside his granny. His mother and granny did not advise him learn to sleep along with to the night and also be courageous. Eighth one, he wished that the tiger had not spread the boy. What do the underline word imply? Underline word meant that he wished that the tiger had killed the boy. Why did Swami have such thoughts? Swami was upset and frightened because the father asked him to sleep along to prove that he was courageous. How can you say Swami would have been happy if the tiger had not the boy? Swami would not have been asked to sleep in the father office alone. Ninth one, no. No wondered and wanted to sleep before I would return home, clever boy. Who did Swami sleep with before his father returned? Swami slept beside his grandmother. Why do you think Swami had gone to sleep before his father returned? Swami still did not have the courage to sleep alone. He was afraid his father would force him to do so. Do you think his father was angry with him for his give reason to support your answer? Swami's father used the phrase clever boy. This may have been said affectedly, not out the anger. 10th one. If you do it, I will make you the laughing stock of your school. Who said this and to whom? Swami's father said this, son. What is it? Swami used to sleep beside his granny or his mother every day. How would the speaker make him the laughing stock? Swami's father treated him that he would tell all his friends at school. Swami is afraid of sleeping alone in the dark, so he sleeps with his granny or his mother. This is the last of this extract. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, आप फ्रेंड्स एरिया को भी भेजो। और नेक्स्ट लेसन का एक्सट्रैक्ट अभी कुछ ही समय में सेंड करता हूँ। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।